What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tune back with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all. Make sure y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and let's keep running these numbers on up, man. Come look at this, man. We almost done. Well, we done with this wall. We done ran the marble up. Larry done ran the marble all the way up on this wall. We got slide the fish take in, make sure it fit in there. Then we gonna start on this side right here. We gonna run this marble up all the way up the wall, man. What Ross say? What Ross say, Otto?
Tiptoeing on my marble floors.
We got no marble floors on the floor. We got them on the fish tank, man. We gonna have it looking real good in here. It ain't even gonna look like no car lot or truck shop. It's gonna look like somebody's house in here, man. When you walk in, you're gonna be like, yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. But today, man, we got some special day. Otto's first driving the Hellcat, man. You ready?
7 foot, man. Yeah, I'm ready, man.
You're definitely not 7 foot, cuz.
You know, I'm trying to get there.
Don't be acting like you're 7 foot in this Hellcat either, bro.
I already know what time it is, man. I ain't about to do nothing crazy.
What you mean? We're about to see. We're about to see, man. Come on, let's go. Oh, man, it's hot out here, boy. Hot as hell. Said I ain't missing out on this shit.
No, I need to see this.
You need to see this, huh? Hold on before we pull out. Alright, man, you ready?
Man, I'm nervous as dog shit, my nigga.
What you nervous for, man?
Man, I'm about to figure it out real quick.
Just a Hellcat, man. Come on, man. Ain't like it's a Bugatti or something, man.
Shit, nigga. It feels like a Bugatti when you get the punch. What's this with this button?
Just put it in sport mode. You trying to go straight to sport mode, huh?
707 horses.
Alright,
let me know when y'all ready.
We waiting on you, man.
What time it is, man?
Whose door open?
It's my door.
Probably yours, cuz.
Ain't got no door thing on here.
Something like door open. Something open. You touch something?
I don't know. What you got the work? Got your hood open or something, nigga? Oh, yeah, my bad.
Yeah, you touching shit, man.
Man, well, I couldn't see that, man. Couldn't see the dashboard,
Let's go, man.
Couldn't see the dashy.
Well, I wasn't tripping, y'all. We trying to make the battery go there. Go left.
What time it is?
Yeah, hit the strip. About to hit the strip, man. God damn it, man.
That shit fun.
You said this fun?
It's fun, dog.
Fucking with it?
It's fun, bro. It's all that fun, yeah, bro. It's all that fun.
Mine up next. Oh, he already on it. He already on
Yo,
it.
they gonna lamb over there.
It's making you want that V8 now, huh? Fuck that Lexus, huh?
I don't know, man. I can't say that gas.
You better have that gas money, boy. Better have that gas money. It costs $100 to drive this. Every time you want to get in, at least have 50, bro. If you ain't got 50, just leave it. Damn. Just leave it in the garage. I ain't gonna lie to you. When I was out last Friday, I spent 50. I ain't even really do nothing but cut a couple corners.
That's how the shit is. This shit expensive out here.
You gotta speed up and slow down, cuz you're gonna fuck around and get yourself a ticket, boy.
Me and the kitty, bro, we can get away, man. No, I don't recommend that. I don't recommend that.
Over here doing triple on the state route.
Shit,
slow down and punch on it. Slow down and then punch on it again. Yeah.
You give me the sauce. You give me the sauce. so I'm gonna slow it on down, dude. You know what I'm saying? Woody, I'm gonna slow it down, Woody. I'm gonna slow it down. Hold on.
Instead of fuck away from this truck right here throwing shit up though. What's all that dust and shit up there? My truck.
That's Woody up there with that. You know they doing construction. We about to spin this bitch.
All parts of that. Yeah, turn around right in one of these little spots. Yeah, right here. Yeah, these brakes jumpy, cuz these them what they call
bimbo. Bimbo.
These motherfuckers will throw you through the windshield. Everybody that drive be like, God damn it.
God damn it, man.
Throw you through the windshield for real. Especially after you get out that truck and then jump in this, I'll be about to motherfucking fly out the windshield. Like, damn. I hate that pothole, bro. I know you see that big ass. You about to drive right over it, cuz. What you thinking?
Nigga.
Speed still.
Damn.
Yeah, you gonna fishtail into some shit the way you turned out of there, cuz.
Man, watch how I do it, man. I know what the fuck. Hey, watch how I do it, man.
It's 100 bands in your hands, cuz.
Yeah, and I got 100 bands to make her dance, right?
It's 100 bands in here, cuz.
I can't speak too much on that. Man, that's...
We about to get this tune. That's the only reason I don't want to get no rims, because it's harder to act up when you got them feet. But we need feet, child. Feet coming soon.
I feel like, you know, you should put feet on when you're not about to do nothing crazy. Then you take the feet off, put some, you know, put the shit on
when you about to act
crazy.
bad, put them factories back on, huh?
Yeah, definitely would be smart.
Yeah, that's a great thing. I don't need you hitting shit. Seat, don't it?
You gotta be, you gotta have your eyes everywhere, nigga.
Man, you just gotta know how to drive, man. I'll be having this
awareness
sideways.
Man, them niggas back there, fudge, man. How the hell they get back all the way over there?
Yeah, I'll be having this motherfucker sideways.
I'm scared to get this bitch sideways. I could bring it back, maybe. Maybe we can bring it back.
Slow down. Buddy wanna do 100 on the state route.
I do 100 on the regular though, but you know I get it. It's not my car.
It ain't about the car, it's about you getting the ticket, boy. It's 55. You doing motherfucking, you know, the thing we in motherfucking. What they calling it, cuz?
Why you got the AC off, cuz?
Cause that shit gonna blow on the camera, nigga. Oh, you think I was like, let's cool out first, and then we'll pull out. Yeah, but trying to get the right mic for y'all, man. How this sound right here? Let us know in the comments how we sound on this mic, man. Man, if you don't punch this motherfucker, man, what is you doing? Punch on. Hello? What up? Oh. What he stuck on? What he done pulled into the wrong shit? What he on? Some 304? Ah, that's where y'all dumping at? Where they got y'all dumping at? Yeah, they ain't rolled on that motherfucker. That shit's soft. Who was y'all dumping first? Yeah, that's why I hate dumping. That's why I like dumping as a motherfucking plant. Right. Right. All right, let me know how if you get out or not. All
that pedal all the way down, I don't know where I might go.
To hell?
Hellcat.
Why it's called a Hellcat?
Alright, you see it's a lot of wind, man. I had to switch it up, man. What's going on? You out, man? Damn. Pull it up, man. Damn. Hold on.
Hey!
What's going on?
What, you got a picture?
Nah, you know, I'll be recording. Yeah.
You're a boss?
Yup.
Holy shit.
Damn, okay, that's a little deal. You got pops right there.
We're good. We'll get her.
Ooh-wee. I'm glad you got out, man.
I didn't move you quick enough. That's my fault.
I'm just glad you ain't tear up that fuel tank.
They had you loaded for the deal.
Right,
And
right.
my fault.
I'm just glad they ain't have to spend no money on no tow truck.
Right, man.
Yes. I want you to go and
I mean, yeah, you know, I don't, you know. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad you got out, brother. Shit. Oh, yeah. That was supposed to be on YouTube on the way out. I missed it, man. Hey, I missed it, man. I came a second late. But now, hold on. So y'all, you see, yeah, but see, you can see how he was stuck, man. You see it, man. Look all that here. Man, so they tell you to back in here? What they trying to tell you to do? It's coming up from here?
Yeah, like you did.
Oh, like I did right there, and then came around, and then and got stuck right here. Yeah,
Which
it's
is
like,
a no. So any of y'all in this dump truck shit, can't pay attention to what everybody say, man.
Right, man, because people will tell you the wrong thing, and then be like, man, what the fuck?
Right, like they did, but at least he made up for the back or whatever.
I'm glad he called him, because we was going to have to figure that shit out. So, we y'all been doing that all day?
Nah, we just actually started here. See, that's why I hate going first. Like the guinea pig and shit.
Some stuff you like, maybe not, but then again, it's like, you don't really know until you
Like this shit, like you would think it's packed, but get that, like,
hell no.
with the mud and shit.
Right, all the it's soft right here too.
Yeah.
It's definitely soft right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is what it is. I mean, as long as you out, man, we ain't taking no loss today, so you can't do nothing, man. That's the only thing. Took that motherfucking mud flap and something crazy on the wheel.
I ain't worried about the mud, like the tanks.
Oh, the
Fuel
tank.
tank,
Oh, yeah, for sure. That's the thing. Yeah.
And then it's the whole point of it. Good to go back to work.
That's good to hear,
So
though.
we can do it.
Right. Man, but we didn't have to figure it out, because if we had to figure it out, we'd been out here damn sweating our asses off. It's already hot as hell as it is. So we've been in this motherfucker trying to push and shit. That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
Live and you learn.
Right, for real. That's all it is. It's all about learning lessons, man. I don't know what they supposed to be doing right here. What they, do you know?
Pretty much. We're milling off one street, then we're taking it here and look like we're building a pad.
Oh, pathway. Yup, that's right. You see I parked all the way over there. I'm like, I'll just take my chances of walking. You hear?
Oh no. They know since me don't come in that way, so you cool.
Alright, good.
See,
Yeah, it look like Pops
then
back
backing
then.
up and it's gonna stir.
Back then. What's that? Back then, man. Good.
Record.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Ain't a minute
Yeah,
left.
he out.
Okay,
He out.
we out.
You already out. He run that backhoe. That backhoe gonna do it every time.
I was worried about that.
Everything good though.
Let's get that truck on the road.
Yeah, we good now though. We just back up in here. This shit's solid right here.
Yeah, we're good.
All right, Otto.
This is the way we'll come now.
Okay. Alright, y'all be careful.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I like that camera.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Alright, as you can see, y'all, I kind of came here for no reason, if you want to ask me, but I'm just glad that everybody got out of there, you know what I'm saying? We got out of there, nothing broke, nothing hurt, that's all that matters, and we got it through, you feel me? Well, we about to head back to the yard now, as you can see, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Something new coming on the way, but yeah, want to let y'all know, shit, we on our way back. I'll talk to y'all